Very good morning and Jai Hind to all students. I am Adesh with my subject Accountancy. I hope you all are safe at your home and be healthy with your family. So don't try to move outside your home without needed of or any urgent need of the things. So try to be at your home and be healthy. So without wasting much of time, now I am coming on my topic today, which we are going to learn. In last class, we learned valuation of goodwill by average profit method. Under that is a simple average profit method. One more part is there, weighted average profit method, and it is also comes under the average profit method. Two methods are come under the average profit method. First one is simple average profit method, which we have covered in last class, and today we will cover the weighted average profit method to evaluate the goodwill of the firm. So first of all, we should confirm and learn what is a weighted average profit method. So this method is assigned to each year weightage of the profit. Whatever the normal profit is earned by the partnership firm, for that profit, weightage is given by that particular partnership for that particular year. So again, we will multiply with the profit to the weightage, and then we calculate the product of weightage and the profit, and this type of process we follow to calculate the goodwill of the firm. So now the process we will learn from here. So first I will show you the process, and I will show you the method of weighted average profit method, how we calculate the goodwill and how we can calculate the weighted profit of the firm, and then how can we calculate the goodwill of the firm with the help of the weighted average profit. Okay, so I am showing the format by which we can calculate the goodwill of the firm. Let's see. Student, this is the format. This is the formula of weighted average profit method. So what the thing we have need to calculate the goodwill of the firm, and how can we calculate the total weightage of profit and total weightage. So regarding this, I have written a formula. The formula said weighted average profit is equal to total of weightage profit. Total of weightage profit means the production with the weighted multiply with the profit, and total the product of weighted and profit is equal to total of weighted profit. Okay, so after multiplying with the weighted and the profit, whatever the total will be there and what the sum will be there, so that total sum will we have to show as a numerator. The numerator is that total of weighted profit, and as a denominator total of weightage. It means whatever the weightage is given for the particular year, then we have to add all the weightage for whatever the weight is given for a particular year. For example, 2014, 5 weightage is given, 2015, 6 weightage is given. Then if we have to calculate the total weightage, so 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So that will be total weightage. Okay, and goodwill of the firm, weighted average profit, that thing, whatever we calculate from this formula, and then what will be the final amount, then that amount we have to write here, weighted average profit multiply number of years purchases, as we have done in a simple average profit method. It means multiply by number of years purchases, whatever that will be given in your question, then we have to find in question, then we have to multiply with the weighted average profit. Then we can find the goodwill of the firm. Regarding this, I have written a question, an example by which we can understand to calculate the weighted average profit. Okay, so by this question we can find and we can learn easily, because it is a simple question, no any other extra informations are there. Those who are mostly confused in your accountancy questions, so this is a simple question and you can understand each and everything whatever is written in this question. So I am reading the question and be focused. Profits of a firm for the last 5 years were. प्रॉफिट्स गिवन है पिछले 5 साल का है एक फर्म के, जो इस तरीके से हैं. ईयर एंडेड, जो कि इनका ईयर एंड होता है 31 मार्च 2016, 31 मार्च 2017, 31 मार्च 2018, 2019, 2020. ओके, प्रॉफिट्स आर 40,000 फॉर 2016, 48, 60,000, 50,000 and 36,000. These are the 5 years of profit. Last 5 years of profit are there. They are asking in the question, calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchases of the weighted average profit. Weighted average profit we have need to calculate, and number of years purchases is already given. 3 years purchases. Is it clear? 3 years purchases already they have given in question. No need to calculate anything regarding this. Only now we have need to calculate the weighted average profit. After assigning weights 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively to the profits. Respectively to the profits means whatever the sequence of profits is given for the particular year, according to that, for first year we will take 1 weightage, for second year we will weight 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. And respectively profits are given to the profits for years ended 31st March 2016. For 2016 we have to give 1 weightage, 2017 we have to give second weightage, 2018 3 weightage, 2019 4 and 2020 5 weightage. Okay, now I am preparing a format under which you can learn more easily how we will show the profits and the weightage of the particular year. Okay, let's see the format and be focused on this format and try to understand each and everything. Student, this is the format to calculate weighted profit. So first this column is for year ended. Okay, then profits for the year, and then weighted. Weight, what is the weight is given for particular year, and here is product of weight and profits. Okay, so now year was started with 31st March 2016. So we will write a 31st March 2016, 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018, 31st March 2019, 31st March 2020, because 5 years profit is given. First one is for 40,000, second 48,000, third one is 60,000, next 50,000 and 36,000. The weightages are for the year 2016, that is 1. Sequently we will write 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will multiply both profits and weightage. Then we have to write here the product of weight and profits. So it is 40,000, 96,000, 1,20,000. If we multiply by 3 into say, no sorry, 1,80,000. 22 lakh and multiply by this 1,80,000. It will be the product, and then we have to total of this profit. Then we calculate the total of weighted profit. Okay, so if we're totaling this, so it will equal to 6,96,000. Okay, 6,96,000. It is total, and it is total of weighted profit. Now I am putting the formula of weighted average profit is equal to total of weighted profit upon total of weight. Total of weight, this one, 1 3 1 0 2 3 3 3 6 6 4 10 and 15. Total of 696,000 upon 15. If we divided this, so it will equal to 46,400. It is equal to weighted average profit. Now goodwill of the firm. So goodwill is equal to weighted average profit multiply weighted average profit multiply weighted average profit multiply number of years purchase. So weighted profit 46,400 multiply number of years purchases. In question we will say 3 years purchases. So 3 years purchases we will multiply by 3. If we multiply by this, 4 3 is 12, 1 6 3 is 18 or 1 19, carry 1, 4 3 is 12 or 1 13. 1,39,200 rupees will be goodwill of the firm. Okay, so this is the complete questions and method and solution of this particular method. You can learn this easily by this particular format. Okay, no problem at all. But in weighted average profit method, there is one more topic is also included, that is past adjustment. Past adjustment means something already we have done, what should not be should do. हमें उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं करना था जो हम कर चुके हैं. ओके, जो हम कर चुके हैं वो नहीं करना था, और जो करना चाहिए था वो हमने नहीं किया. तो इस तरीके से जो हमारे प्रॉफिट्स है, ये प्रॉफिट्स हमारा ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट्स नहीं दिया होता. तो उससे रिलेटेड सम एडजस्टमेंट आल्सो गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द करेक्ट नेट और ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट. correct operating profit we have required to calculate the goodwill of the firm. So that's why we will do the adjustment with this profit also. Then whatever the final profit we get, or the adjusted profit we will get, then we will multiply with the weighted, and then we will get the product of weighted and adjusted profit. Okay, then that amount we will use. So now one more example I have with the past adjustment of weighted average profit method. So I am going to solve question related to the past adjustment of weighted average profit method. Okay, let's see the next method in this video. Student, this is a past adjustment of weighted average profit method. When we calculating the profit in our business in the firm, at that time something extra we have done with our profit, something extra we have added with the profit, and something extra subtracted from the profit, so by which we still not get the correct normal profit of the firm. But here we have need to normal profit to calculate the goodwill of the firm. That's why these are the some abnormal gain and abnormal loss, and some other transactions are not included with the normal profit. Okay, so I have a question. So first I'm start to read the question and try to understand what they have given and what they are trying to ask in this question. So first one is, Akhil and Nikhil are partners sharing profits equally. Both two partners are there, Akhil and Nikhil, and they are distribute their profit equally. बराबर का profit वो लेते हैं फर्म के अंदर. They admitted Dinesh into partnership. वो दिनेश को admit करना चाहते हैं फर्म के अंदर. It was agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchase. दिनेश एग्री होता है कि जो फर्म की गुडविल होगी वो 3 years परचेज के बराबर निकाली जाएगी. 3 years परचेज किसके बेस पर? 3 years परचेज फॉलोइंग वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड. वट एवर द वेटेड प्रॉफिट विल बी देयर, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट 3 years परचेज के इक्वल हमारी गुडविल रखी जाएगी फर्म के अंदर, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पास्ट 5 years प्रॉफिट. पिछले 5 साल का जो वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट होगा उसका 3 years परचेज के इक्वल हमारी फर्म की गुडविल की वैल्यूएशन की जाएगी. वेट्स असाइन टू ईच ईयर वुड बी, जो एवरी ईयर प्रॉफिट होगा उसके लिए किस तरीके से वेट रखा हुआ है. सो ईयर्स एंडेड 31 March 2015 1 weight, 2016 2, 2017 3, 2018 4 and 2019 5. Profits are given for the year 15 19,000, 2016 80, 2017 1,25,000, 2018 1,50,000, 2019 1,75,000. These are the profits. Scrutiny of books of accounts revealed the following. When we checking our books of accounts, at that time we find some errors which already they have done, but they should not do these transactions with the profit. So what the transactions are there? First one, there was an abnormal loss of rupees 15,000 during the year ended 31 March 2015. 2015 के एंड में 31 मार्च को 15,000 का एक एबनॉर्मल लॉस हुआ था जो उसके साथ में ट्रीट किया हुआ, मीन्स 2015 के साथ में 15,000 का इन्होंने एक एबनॉर्मल लॉस ट्रीट किया हुआ जो नहीं करना चाहिए. तो इट मीन्स इसको दोबारा से ऐड करेंगे इस प्रॉफिट में. अभी मैं फॉर्मेट बनाऊंगा नीचे, तब हम इसको दोबारा ट्रीट करेंगे. अभी मैं यहाँ पर ओरली आपको कंफर्म करा देता हूँ. सेकेंड, देयर वॉज एन एबनॉर्मल गेन ऑफ रुपीज़ 10,000. There was an abnormal gain of rupees 10,000 during the year ended 31st March 2017. 2017, this year, 10,000 of abnormal gain is already added with this. So that should not be added with this profit. So now we have to subtract this abnormal gain from this profit. Closing stock as on 31st March 2018, this year. On this date, closing stock was overvalued by 15,000. If closing stock is overvalued by rupees 15,000, so it is increasing the profit of this particular year. So we have to subtract. And when we moving to next year, so then opening stock will be overvalued over there. If opening stock is overvalued over there, so then the profit will be reduced. Profit there will be reduced. So that's why in this year we will add once again to increase this profit by rupees 15,000. Now what they asking, calculate value of goodwill. So value of goodwill we have to find out. So now I am preparing the format by which we can calculate the total weighted profit. Okay, total of weighted profit. So let's see the format. Student, this is the format by which we will calculate the weighted profit. So here year 2015, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So these profit we have to write. For 2015 there is 90,000 profit, and for 2016 80,000 profit, and 1,25,000, and 1,50,000, and then 1,75,000. Now we will do the adjustment with this profit. Then we will calculate the normal profit. So in the first transaction, first adjustment, there was an abnormal loss of rupees 15,000 during the year ended 31st March 2015. In the year end 31st March 2015, 15,000 rupees of abnormal loss they already treated. So it means again we have to add with this profit. So with this profit we have to add 15,000 rupees of abnormal loss by which the profit was reduced. But now once again we have to add this to increase our profit by rupees 15,000. Okay. Next, second, there was an abnormal gain of rupees 10,000 during the year ended 31st March 2017. This is the year 2017. 10,000 rupees extra or gain already included with this profit. So now we have to subtract from this. So we will subtract 10,000 from this profit. Okay, because this abnormal gain is not a normal gain or a normal profit, that's why it will subtract. Next one, closing stock as on 31st March 2018 was overvalued by 15,000. If closing stock is overvalued तो it means trading account में ये क्रेडिट साइड में शो होता है. क्रेडिट साइड में शो होना दैट इज़ अ इनकम, और हमारी इनकम इंक्रीज़ हो रही है 15,000 से, जो कि गलत है, ये ओवरवैल्यूड लिखा गया है. तो इट मीन्स इसको हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 2018 में, क्योंकि 31st मार्च 2018 में ये ओवरवैल्यूड हुआ है और ये क्लोजिंग स्टॉक होगा. तो माइनस करेंगे 15,000. अब यही क्लोजिंग स्टॉक नेक्स्ट ईयर जब हम ट्रांसफ़र हुए होंगे तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक ये हमारा रहा होगा, और ओपनिंग स्टॉक को जब हमने ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में लिखा है तो उससे हमारा प्रॉफिट कम शो हुआ होगा हमारी बुक्स के अंदर. अब ओपनिंग स्टॉक ओवर वैल्यूड होने से हमारा प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस हुआ है, तो अब उसको अगर हम हटाते हैं ओवर वैल्यूड को, वहाँ से माइनस करते हैं, तो हमारा प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज होगा. सो दैट्स वाई वी विल ऐड 15,000 in next year, means 2019. Now we will calculate the normal profit. If we are adding this, so 1,05,000 normal profit for this year, 80,000 actually not adjustment is there with. Next 1,15,000 and 1,35,000, and if we are adding this 1,90,000. Okay, weightage are 2015 1, 2016 2, and sequentially we will write this 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the weightage. Now we will multiply normal profit with the weights. So 1,05,000 1,60,000. If you multiply 80,000 into 2, multiply by 1,15,000 into 3, so 3,45,000. And if you multiply 1,35,000 to 4, it will equal to 5,40,000. And now if you multiply 1,90,000 with the 5, then it is equal to 9,50,000. And now if you totaling this, 000, 50, carry 1, 10, 14, 20, 0, carry 2, 11, 16, 19, 20, 21. It is equal to 21 lakh. Okay, and the weightage will be 15. It is equal to total. Now once again we will put the formula of weighted average profit is equal to total of weighted profit upon total of weight. It is equal to 21 lakh, this amount, and it is equal to 15. So if we dividing 21 lakh by this, so it will equal to 1,40,000. Okay, this is the weightage. Now weighted average profit. Now goodwill. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit multiply number of years purchase. Average weighted profit 1,40,000 and number of year purchases we will search in question. 3 years purchases. 3 years purchases. So we will multiply by 3. So it is equal to rupees 4,20,000 will be the goodwill of the firm. It is clear? This is the goodwill of the firm. Only these past adjustment or these adjustment we have to treat, then we have to calculate the normal profit. Yeah. These adjustments are extra comparison to the simple weighted average profit method. So these adjustment maybe we have to do if there is some adjustment or transactions are given in your question, then you have to solve. Now the formula is remain same. Okay, so according to this you will solve the goodwill of the firm. Okay, according to this goodwill, whose incoming partner, that is Dinesh, will bring his share of goodwill in the firm according to his profit share ratio. So that's why we need to calculate the goodwill of the firm. So students, I will send you some questions for the practice purpose. So you will solve those questions, and if find any problem, obvious you will find many problem when you solve it. If you are not solving, then you will not find any problem. So the rules is that no study no problem, less study less problem, more study more problem. So I want more problem from your side. Okay, that's why I can do more practice with you as a solving your questions or your problems. So thank you students for today, and do practice a regular basis. if you not do, or if you skip any single day, then you will no learning anything. Okay, you will not learn anything from that concept whichever you have skipped, or if you did not any practice related to that particular concept or the topic. Okay, so thank you student, thank you for today. So this is the complete question and the format of this particular method. Now you can see here. Okay, thank you students.